Basically, everything follows the head. So when the head goes down, the body goes with it. So we have to work it really from the head up. That's the real key. If you can work from the posture from the head down, you can keep everything aligned. We're thinking about shoulders back and that. It doesn't do nothing from the head. Everything follows the head. So that's the real key. Hi guys, Vince from Posture Prime. Welcome to the channel where I help you get your posture and overall health back on track. So let's get at it. So today I have a good friend, Clinton, back, and I'm going to demonstrate head loading to him. So we've been working on the whole posture series with Clinton, and we've been working from the feet up. I was wanting to get the arches good, the hips good, shoulders good. Now we're really onto the neck. We touched base on that with the wall stand on the last video, but I really want to get the head and everything working. So you'll see that children have a really good head posture because the weight's so heavy, they've engaged it. But as we get older, we get used to the weight of our head, so we slouch it. So we need to apply more weight to that area to get these muscles to engage again. You'll tend to find posture on the head and the neck. It's so important. We can be fit and healthy till we're old age, but it's the posture that'll go down. So you'd rather be 90 with good posture. It has more health benefits. When you put weight to the head, your awareness to where everything is below your head is massive. It's so much more in tune. It is like being barefoot, but when you can connect the foot to the top of the head, everything's more in tune because you're aware of it, okay? So once you apply this weight to the head, it's going to sit on the crown of the head. Now this method has been used for centuries. People have been applying weight to the head to find their balance, balancing books in the head, because you can keep something on your head without lifting the chin. You have to keep your head at the chin level, which keeps a book or anything on your head. Now, I have a weighted cushion here which helps to apply the same method but doesn't fall off as easy. So Clinton, I want you to apply this weight to the crown of your head, okay? And we'll see how it goes. Now it's quite a heavy one, but it's heavy enough for the body to feel it. Okay, good. And I want you to slowly turn and face feet. Good. Okay. And square the feet up. Lovely. Now you'll see with the weight on Clinton's head, everything's starting to fire. You take one step forward really slowly. You don't let it come off. Good. Lovely. And stay there. Now, what you're starting to realise is when the weight is on his head, all of a sudden, all his back and neck stabiliser muscles have to fire to push the weight up. The heavier that weight is, the more these muscles have to work and semi-automatically kick in to resist the weight to keep his head there, because his head feels like twice the size, so all these muscles have to re-engage again, just like they did when we were just a small child. They had to work. So tell me what you feel when you're having it on your head.
I just feel my head a lot more, the sort of sway of my head and how I'm trying to sort of balance my head a lot more.
Yeah, you're so much more aware of where your head is at. It finds your natural axis of your spine now, where your head wants to center itself over your shoulders because it finds a new weight. It's easiest to create the center of axis. So applying any weight, that's the benefit of it there. Without the weight, the head can go anywhere, but with the weight on the head, it finds a true center axis point to the whole body, and it wants to transfer that weight through, so it straightens your posture up.
Do you feel the neck more engaged?
Yeah. Well, you can't cheat with this because to keep the weight on your head, you have to keep upright. And I'm going to get you to take 2 steps forward and then turn and then bring 2 steps back, because I want you more aware of what's going on. It's really good. So you can see how upright, how strong he is. He's having to really maintain all. Yeah. Good. Yeah. You really see how straight he is at the back. And then you walk forward a couple of steps again. Good. And stay there for me. Okay. Now I want you to take the weight off, and just to feel the difference, and I'll take the weight off for you. And you relax. Now, turn and face the camera and tell me what it feels like with the weight off.
I don't know, I feel more stable or something.
Well, you'll feel the head tends to feel a lot lighter, and it wants to nearly rise on its own. Doesn't want to rise.
I think it's about to float off.
Yeah. reality later. And now because you find that centre and more awareness. So now when you walk back and forth, you're finding yourself naturally on its own because it still thinks weight's on. It's a serious cool feeling because you're wanting to go, whoa, it doesn't want to lose it. And that's the only way to tell the true centre. Axis point and the true posture is by lowering the head, because all of a sudden you're relearning what straight and line is. So that's where it's really key to really, if you can get any type of weighted, I've had people maybe use a bag of sugar or any type of weighted bag. These are my own ones there that I designed that are great. I find any type of weight, start stuff steady, but when you apply weight to the head, it has all the massive benefits of engagement. Once I engage that, I cannot slouch. It stays in the crown of the head, and all of a sudden your awareness too. But the more you move around with that, the better you get, and you can start to see where your body's at. And it's just like those women and cultures there that carry things in their head, baskets, water. Their posture is absolutely perfect, and they maintain that the whole way through old age. Their spine doesn't decompress. It actually stays exact same length, which keeps their health, their spine forever. So that's good. That's head loading of how you can correct the back of the neck and sort of resolve that problem. Okay, good on,
Awesome. I love that. I feel like I don't have to work as hard just to be able to even think about it. I was like,
I just see the difference when you apply weight to the head, how the head finds the shift. I have people using things like these here, any type of weight, when they're at the desk, because that's when the head can slouch. But if you can apply a small weight to the head, it keeps you honest, keeps you upright, and after a while, you stay upright, which is a beautiful thing. So a day doesn't have to hurt us. Okay, Clinton, I'm going to just place that on the crown of your head, and I'm going to have you balance that. Okay, perfect. You can just relax the arms by your sides. And I want to show how applying the weight. Good. Now I want you to bring the back of your head up the wall a wee bit. Good. Now I'm going to get you to hold it there. Okay. Lovely. Now I'm just going to get you ever so slightly. You're going to have the head touch the wall and then come off the wall about an inch or so. But you're going to lean forward off the wall and lean back off the wall. Good. So what this is doing is training him not to bend his neck. Most people, when they lean forward, the head will drop. But once you've a weight on your head, you have to keep it there. Lovely. Now we're going to step this up another notch. So this can be a wee bit challenging, but I'm going to get you leaning off the wall, leaning forward and doing your best to stand up, but keep the weight on your head. So you cannot stoop forward. So your spine has to stay perfect. So whenever you're ready, I'm going to have you slow and steady. Stand up slowly, but keep the weight on your head. Lovely. And then stand up nice and tall as you stabilise it. Good. And then sit back nice and steady, but keep the weight on your head. You can see he's having to keep his head everything in alignment. Slow and steady. He's going to come back to the wall. And as you come back to the wall, you'll see his head will straighten up and pull back in it again as he keeps it in. Now I'm going to take the weight off and you're going to see how he gets up without it. Alright. Can you just get up normally as you would, Clinton? Good. Because you still think that the weight's there, you're wanting to push vertically up, where most people tend to stoop forward. So that's head loading and a good way to strengthen the neck muscles, which I like really and particularly to really load the head in a way. You want these muscles to be trained and strengthened so the head will be supported. Where the body's got lazy, it activates the right muscles, relaxes these front ones, so then you have the head back to where it is. Once you get used to that, then the head sets there, and you just use it maybe 5 or 10 minutes throughout the day. It helps set that there. So it's head loading, help to correct that excessive forward curve because the fires those there. Okay, that's good. Alright, man. Come on. It's interesting, isn't it?